Is your kitchen, bathroom, or pantry constantly messy and cluttered? Then the Smart Organizer might be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's explore the pull-out cabinet organizer with full extension slide-out drawers. This pull-out drawer is 21 inches deep and built with durable steel tracks and a nano adhesive film that offers strong, drill-free installation. It fits perfectly inside your kitchen cabinets, under the sink, bathroom shelves, or pantry space. No more digging in the back of your cabinet to find what you need. Installation is super easy. You can use screws for permanent fixing, or go screw-free with the strong nano adhesive base. It's as simple as peel, stick, and slide, done in minutes. The double-layer pull-out trays allow easy access to both top and bottom items, perfect for organizing spices, sauces, cleaning products, and kitchen tools. You'll instantly gain more space and better visibility inside your cabinets. This isn't just for the kitchen. Use it in the bathroom for storing soaps, shampoos, or brushes, or in the pantry for keeping jars, snacks, and dry goods neat and accessible. Its smooth glide mechanism, rust-resistant steel, and space-saving design make this pull-out shelf a game-changer for any home. Say goodbye to messy cabinets and hello to smart, stylish organization. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and grab your pull-out cabinet organizer today. Make your home cleaner, smarter, and more organized the easy way.